A cylinder explosion is this evening believed to be a cause for a fire that destroyed four-bedroom along Barrack Road in St. James. TVJ News understands that sometime around 7 Saturday morning, fire was seen coming from the multi-purpose apartment that houses a business. It further understood that at the time of the fire, only one of the four occupants was home. Everything was destroyed. 3 units from the Barnett Street Fire Station responded to the blaze.
I get up and see the fire, I sleep, I see eat. I start to suffocate. I say, well, and something right. And then I look up in the ceiling, I see fire.